Hi there, this is a video from LANA Software on how to solve the 9 dots freezing issue. If you are facing an issue loading your screen and it is showing the 9 dots freezing issue, which will look like this, follow these simple steps. While using LANA on Google Chrome, right-click on the page, then click on Inspect. The Inspect pane will now open. Depending on your settings, your Inspect panel will be displayed either on the right-hand side, left-hand side, or at the bottom of your screen. Now click on the 2 arrows next to the Elements Console Sources section. And from the drop-down, select Application. Now click on Storage, then click on Clear Site Data. Now click on the lock icon near the URL at the top of the screen and click on Cookies. Now click on app.lana.software, click into Cookies, and click Remove. Then click Done. The final step is to do a hard refresh of the page. If you are using a Mac, press and hold Command plus R at the same time. If you are using Windows, press and hold Control F5. This video has discussed how to fix the 9 dots freezing issue.